Today, I'll show you how to add your hosting a business email to Gmail so you can manage everything from one inbox. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your hosting your emails automatically arriving in your Gmail account, making it much easier to stay organized and respond quickly. First, make sure you're on a computer because we'll be using the full Gmail settings menu, which is easier to access on desktop. Open your web browser and sign in to the Gmail account where you want to receive your hosting your emails. Once you're in Gmail, look at the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. That's the settings button. Click that and a small panel will open on the right. In that panel, find and click the option that says See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page with multiple tabs across the top. At the top of this settings page, you'll see several tabs like General, Labels, Inbox, and so on. Click on the tab that says Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail lets you connect other email accounts, both for receiving and sending mail. On the Accounts and Import page, scroll down until you see a section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts. This is the feature that lets Gmail pull in messages from another email address using POP3. In that section, click the button that says Add a Mail Account. A small yellow pop-up window will appear. In this window, you'll be asked to enter the email address you want to add. Type in your full Hostinger business email address. Make sure it's exactly correct with no extra spaces or typos because Gmail will use this to connect to your Hostinger mailbox. Once you've entered the address, continue, and when you're asked how you want to proceed, choose the option that says Import emails from my other account, POP3. This tells Gmail to use the POP3 method to download emails from your Hostinger inbox. Next, you'll see a screen asking for the connection details. This part is important, so go slowly and double check everything. For the username, enter your full Hostinger email address again, not just the part before the @ symbol. For the password, enter the password you use for that specific email account. If you're not sure what it is, it's a good idea to confirm it in your Hostinger control panel before continuing. Now, you'll see fields for the POP server and the port. In the POP server box, type pop.hostinger.com. For the port, select or enter 995. This combination tells Gmail exactly where and how to connect to your Hostinger mailbox. Below that, there will be a checkbox that says something like, always use a secure connection, SSL, when retrieving mail. Make sure this box is checked. SSL encrypts the connection between Gmail and Hostinger, which helps keep your login details and your emails secure. Once all the information is filled in and you've confirmed it's correct, click the button to add the account. Gmail will test the connection, and if everything is entered properly, it will start importing your Hostinger emails into your Gmail inbox. From that point on, new emails sent to your Hostinger business address will appear in Gmail automatically, making it much simpler to manage your communication from one place.